Embrace the unparalleled charm of London at Malden Hall, an extraordinary student stay synonymous with peak luxury. Choose from a selection of ensuite rooms, each boasting a plush bed, dedicated workstation equipped with high-speed Wi-Fi, and your private bathroom. But wait, there's more! The 24-hour gym allows you to work out anytime, while fun social events and activities offer opportunities to connect with fellow residents. Malden Hall is not just a modern and comfortable abode, it's a secure space with bike storage, on-site laundry service, and the cherry on top, utility bills are included, making your stay super affordable. Talking about location, Malden Hall student accommodation puts you in the heart of academic convenience, with renowned universities like Wimbledon College of Arts and Kingston Business School just a stone's throw away. On weekends, unwind the vibrant social life enriched with convenience and cultural experiences. Indulge in Mediterranean cuisine at Low Motor Restaurant, relish authentic Chinese delights at the Highway Cafe, or unwind at Woody's Free House. Additionally, a stroll will take you to the nearby grocery stores like Tesco Extra and Lidl, ensuring all your essentials are within reach. With various commute options conveniently close by, saving money has never been easier. So, why wait? Head straight to amberstudent.com and book your ideal stay at Malden Hall, London today.